All right, well, here's our boat captain for the day.
Aye, aye.
Aye, aye, matey. This is her lovely parents' place. I cannot claim any of this, except I climb these trees and extract the coconuts that they seldomly ever eat, which I do, because they're amazing. Although yesterday I did get 2 bad coconuts. One was really bad, the other one was edible, you could say, but not that great. But what a dream. You just come out here and whack off a couple of nuts. But this is her dad's boat. That's pretty cool. And this is her mini boat. And we're gonna take this out and cruise a little bit, which it's actually a really cool area. I mean, look at these views. It's incredible.
I might need your help, Captain Nate. My nails are too long for this cover removal.
Really?
Yeah.
We are in the lovely area of St. Petersburg.
Just the front one.
Just the front one. And we're gonna do a little cruising and bruising, or boozing. We need this cover. That's pretty fancy.
Just slow lowering process.
Yeah.
Give and take.
Wow, it's from... Yeah, you're definitely,
Just keep lowering.
I actually really like this boat.
It's not bad.
I haven't even driven it yet.
Pretty cheap too.
It's like full on.
We are approaching the water.
Oh, it's just scraping the barnacles.
Well,
This is pretty. I can't believe this is done by remote.
I kind of kayak off the kayak. You want to check my knot on the kayak and make sure it's not.
Yeah, you have to.
I think we'll leave this down.
Oh, I can actually just scoot us back.
Too far back.
Oh yeah, you're fine. I'm just gonna push you out to the middle. Oh my gosh, this thing's actually really cool. Yeah. That's great. There's not this water's so calm that yeah. You got both those keys. Perfect. All right, let's see how this puppy. How cool is that? Let's see, battery switch on. Key.
Is that the key?
Yep, and then we have a choke. We're actually gonna trim down. This is like a mini version of
Your boat.
my boat, and so that's choke. She's running. The question remains, do we want to go out to sea with this?
Maybe slightly. Enough to swim back.
Alright, it's running.
All right.
See if she might go. Oh my gosh, she's running.
We're doing it.
Oh, that's my boat's. Well,
Boat ride. This is way better than going to work.
I'd agree with that. I'm not so much the conservatist as this one is.
I love the ocean.
She's an ocean lover. I'm not that I don't love the ocean. I love the ocean. But I spotted a plastic bottle up here.
I'm gonna get it.
And so she wants to get it because one less plastic bottle in the ocean is one less.
A step in the right direction.
Yeah, exactly. And it took all but 30 seconds. Okay. Okay. Good.
Yay.
All right, back to going fast.
Yes. Now send it. Now we can terrorize the sailboat.
Yeah, let's go terrorize. We're going to terrorize the sailboats. Oh, oh. That's the beer. Oh man, she is getting really bouncy. There's an airport over here.
Yeah.
We're going to go see the airport.
Okay.
And then we'll meander back.
See you. I got an interview. Pretty sure I got it.
Well, here's the airport. Oh my god, this one is getting right out, right over to the left. It's probably gonna come out right to the right here. So I'll pull up to this one and then we'll head back. Oh my god, there's like 10 of them.
That was our reward for pulling that Mountain Dew bottle out of the ocean.
That was a reward for pulling that. That is our destination right there.
We have arrived.
The SS Gordon.
The SS Gordon. Casa de Gordon.
I'm acting like that's futuristic. Come on, can you get out of the way so I can...
I can move it.
That's okay, look at that.
Just push it.
so you can make it to your job. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour of St. Petersburg via the SS mini float.
Yes. Whatever floats your mini boat.
Saw some pretty darn cool dolphins. I didn't expect that. Saw an airport. And this thing's actually more impressive than I thought. I mean, you kind of look at it and you're like, ooh, it's a
dinghy.
It's a dinghy. It seems kind of dingy to drive one, but I actually had more fun driving this than I would probably a full-size boat. I felt like a childhood mini boat.
Like your first mini boat.
And thanks for watching. She's gonna go head to her Zoom job interview. We made it back within like 15 minutes.
Just in the nick of time.
Just in the nick of time. And I'm gonna go rinse this and clean this one off. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great weekend. It's not the weekend, it's Tuesday, isn't it?
Have a great
Weekday.
Wednesday.
Oh my god, I don't even know what day it is. It's not good.
He's been losing his marbles for a while.
All right, well.